going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the fuel filler neck on this 2013 Mustang GT. You're gonna see the link popping up right there on the other video that I did about this car having an issue with the fuel filler neck right here. It was leaking, so we're gonna install this one and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can remove it. As you can see, it's a little bit hard to do it, but we have to remove the exhaust, the hose right there, and of course it's gonna be removed from the fuel tank as well. We have to remove the hose and it's gonna be a challenge, but stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we continue, you have to remove these exhaust silencer. You have to remove it from these. You can either remove it from here or here, but I just removed it from this. And also you have to remove the pipe. You have to make sure it's loose enough so you can remove it. You can do that by loosening these 50 millimeters. This one, you have to remove the pipe, the exhaust, and you have to remove this bar, this one. I believe you're gonna need a 21 and 15 millimeters too. Okay, so once the silencer is removed and the pipe is loose, you can now access to the whole thing. And to remove this, you have to remove the blue lock connector and just press the top hard and pull it that way so it can be removed. And next you have to remove this 13 millimeters and you have to remove the pipe from down there. Okay, so once that's removed, you have to remove from that. And the only way to remove this pipe is you have to push it down like that. So I'm gonna just show you a little bit. Once you push it, the other end is gonna go forward a little bit. And once it's on this position, what you want to do is pull it down like this. And I think it's enough space to lift it right here, as you can see, and then it's gonna come down. And once it's like that, you just pull it forward you a little bit. Let's show you. You have to pull it that way, like that, and it's gonna come out. But you have to remove this first, this bracket right here. So once you remove the bracket like that, I'm gonna put it right here. Once you remove the bracket, then it slides out like this, and that's how you remove it. Okay, so once you remove that, now you have to remove this pipe, or you can leave it, but I'm just gonna remove it. You have to remove it from the fuel tank because the new one pipe has the new one, so you have to remove it. Alright, so I have the new hose right here, and don't forget to always put a little bit of grease so it can slide in really nice. That way you don't have problems. So you just slide it like this. See if this can focus. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit tough, but I'll get it. It's a little bit hard with one hand, so I'm doing my best to apply the needed force. And as you can see, it's already in. Just need to push it a little bit more, but that's the first step. And also don't forget to put grease here too. Okay, and to install the hose, we just do the reverse. We put it in the hole right like that. Then you're gonna push it in, lift the front first. Once it's lifted, you have to push it in like this, and once it's in that position, push it in more, and you have to make sure it goes that way, this pipe, and this one is gonna go like this, but we have to make sure it doesn't hit anything over here. Okay, I'm doing my best to keep the camera fixed, but it's a little bit hard with one hand, so I'm just gonna work my way here, and will be pretty much the install on this. Okay, so that's installed already, and now what we have to do is put the silencer back, and it needs to come this way like this. So that's the next step, and you can leave here this. We're gonna put this at the end. Okay, it's already installed, and now we have to put the bolts back. It's gonna be this one. And we're gonna use a 15 right here. And this one is gonna be an 18. It also, don't forget to put this one too. It's gonna be 15. And there you go. Okay, so this is the code, and I'm just gonna erase it right now, and this will be a fixed problem for this car. So the problem is fixed, and this will be the end of the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, like, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.